Namaste students, myself Dr. Kundan Mishram, Assistant Professor, Department of Aratantra and Vidyavaidika, Jyoti Vidyapith University, Jaipur. Students, today we will learn about the new concept from forensic medicine and toxicology, that is medical termination of pregnancy. Okay. The medical termination of pregnancy is the act passed out in India in 1971. Here the full form of EMTP is medical termination of pregnancy. It was enforced nationwide from April 1st, 1972, while later adopted by Kashmir and Mizoram in 1980. It was legislated by Parliament on August 10th, 1971. Before 1971, abortion was criminalized under Section 312 of IPC 1860, which describing it as the intentionally causing the miscarriage. Definition: it is an act that provides for termination of the certain pregnancies by a registered medical practitioner and for matter connected there with the incidental death. Then objectives of Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act: to improve the maternal health scenario by preventing large number of unsafe abortions and consequent high incidence of maternal mortality and morbidity. It legalized the abortion services. Then it promotes access to safe abortion services to the woman. It offers protection to registered medical practitioners who otherwise would be penalized under the Section 315 to 316 of IPC. Then rules and regulation of medical termination of pregnancy. The medical termination of pregnancy grant the central government power to make the rules and the state government power to frame the regulations. Then the medical termination of pregnancy lays down who is terminate the pregnancy, training requirements and approval processes of the place and the other. Okay. The regulations of Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act that it lays down the form of the opinion, maintenance of record, custody of forms and reporting. In condition when the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act legalized abortion. First of all, therapeutic grounds, like when the continuation of pregnancy enters the life of woman or may causes the severe injury or mental or physical health. Then second is eugenic grounds. When there is the risk of child being born with a serious physical or mental abnormality. Then humanitarian grounds, where the pregnancy is caused by rape. Then social grounds, where the pregnancy resulting from the failure of contraceptive in the married woman, or when the social or economic environment can injure the mother's health. Then requirement in an emergency, except in the emergency. Except in the emergency less than 12 weeks of gestation, there the opinion of one registered medical practitioner is sufficient. But if the uh, gestation period is from 12 week to 20 week, the opinion of two registered medical practitioners should be required. Then experienced and trained registered medical practitioner should be required for the medical termination of the pregnancy. In place, proper place of a district hospital or any other hospital where the availability of such instruments and such doctors and registered medical practitioner and the emergency requirements are available, there should be done the medical termination of pregnancy. Then a written consent from the woman is also required. Then in emergency, any registered medical practitioner should done the MTP. While It doesn't require the experience or place or duration of gestation. Then the method for congesting medical termination of pregnancy. In 12 week, the medical method are like mifepristone or misoprostol are sufficient to terminate the pregnancy. Then after the surgical methods like menstrual regulation and D and E, vacuum operations and suction vacuum are the sufficient for medical termination of pregnancy. While in 20th week, the medical methods like prostaglandin and oxytocin are required for the MTP, while surgical methods like D and E, intrauterine installation of a hyperosmotic solution, and hysterectomy are required for MTP. Then complications. Here, the immediate death may be occurred due to neurogenic shock, extension, hemorrhage, and perforation of vaginitis, laceration of cervix, laceration of uterus, bladder, bowel, while incomplete abortion and due to anesthesia, it leads to the immediate death. Then delayed death due to the infection, sepsis, sterility, menstrual disorder, and physiological disorder leads to the delayed death to the woman. Then other complications like increased chances of natural abortion, increased chances of complication of future pregnancy, and increased chances of congenital abnormalities in the children, uh, which are due to the medical termination of pregnancy. Then MTP Act amendment, it is carried out in 2002 in India, where the amendment of section 2 and 3, the word lunatic was replaced by mentally ill person. Then amendment of section 4, here the hospital established and maintained by the government. And amendment of section 5 is offense of registered medical practitioner performing MTP without experience or place other than registered hospital. Then recent amendment of Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act Amendment Bill 2020. Here the 12 week to 20 to 24 week is the duration medical termination of pregnancy should be carried out. Here the not limit of gestation if the fetus suffered from the substantial fetus abnormalities. While the failure of contraceptives in the married as well as unmarried, also the medical termination of pregnancy can be done in this condition. The bill, which ensures the safe termination of pregnancies and also view the human reproductive right over the bodies, uh, is considered in this amendment. Cases: fetus suffering from the open neural tube defect, that is urogenic ground, and MTP of mentally ill and rape women, example of humanitarian ground, are the some cases where the medical termination of pregnancy can be carried out. Then the documentation, here the form 1 is opinion form 2 is reporting to CMO, then form 3 is admission register. All these are requirement document for the NTP. Thank you, student.